Mechanical properties of fluid. Now let us see the question number 9, Ncert question. That is, in this question it is asked, a U-tube contains water and methylated spirit separated by mercury. Let us understand the question by this diagram. Say this is your U-tube and spirit and water column separated by mercury. So here it is mercury, liquid mercury is here. And this mercury separate in this column, this is your spirit and here it is your water. In between these two liquid, here your mercury is present, and because of this mercury these two are separated. Now see, and it is also given the mercury column is in two arms are in level. It means, most important point, that means this mercury level in this column and in this column, they are at the same level. These two are at the same level. And it is also given your height of spirit 12.5 centimeter and height of your water column, this much is your 10 centimeter. It is asked, what is the specific gravity of spirit? So what do you mean by specific gravity? Specific gravity of any liquid, just you can say it's a relative density. Means if I say what's the specific gravity of mustard oil, just you have to do density of mustard oil divided by density of water. So that ratio, it's a pure number, it is called your specific gravity. Now let's come to this question. Here just only one concept you have to use in order to get the, say let us take here this is your rho 1, density of spirit rho 1, and let us take density of spirit water, this is your rho 2, and then this column height, it is your h1 which is given, say h1 is equals to 12.5 centimeter, and height of this let us take as h2 which is given as 10 centimeter. Now just as you know, B and D, these two are at the same level, therefore pressure at B and pressure at D, that will be same. And as the U-tube is open, so pressure at B will be your what? That is atmospheric pressure P0 plus the gauge pressure due to this spirit. So this pressure at B, let us write pressure at B P0 plus, and what is the hydrostatic pressure due to your spirit? That is your rho 1 G H1, and this is the total pressure at this level at B. Now at D, that pressure is your P0 because atmospheric pressure is there plus rho 2 G H2, and these two pressure, total pressure at B and pressure at D must be equal because they are at the same level. Now see, P0 cancelled out, what you will get? G cancelled out, then rho 1 H1 equals to rho 2 H2. From here you do one thing, that is rho 1 over rho 2 equals to H2 by H1. Now see, now what you obtained? Rho 1 by rho 2 equals to, and H2, this value is given. H2 is the height of your water column, that is your 10 divided by H1 is how much? That height is also given to you. H1 is your 12.5 centimeter, that is your 12.5 centimeter because it is the height of your water column. So 12.5, and if you simplify this, the value will come as 0.8. And rho 1 is what? Rho 1 is the density of your spirit. So density of spirit divided by density of water. Rho 2 is the density of water as we have assumed it. It is your 0.8. And this is your specific gravity of spirit. So it means the specific gravity 0.8 means what? It is 0.8 times than the density of your water. Actually 8 by 10. 8 by 10. That means water is more denser than spirit. 8 by 10 is smaller than 1. From here also you can say at 0.8 relative density or specific gravity is smaller than 1, whose specific gravity is spirit. That means spirit is rarer than your water. Water is more denser than spirit. I hope it's clear. Thank you.